Hey guys, namaste. Sanse Nancha. How are you all? So today's video, I'm going to make the fish escabeche. So here is my ingredients: the onions, the coriander, the tomato, the garlic, and the nor cubes. So here's the fish. So I started to fry the fish first, and then next I will show you how to make the escabeche. So, ayan na guys, kumukulo na yung tubig na pinakuluan ko with the seasoning. So, ilagay na natin yung fish. Yung fried fish na guys, pinirito ko na. So, ilagay na natin lahat para ma-absorb na yung mga seasoning na nilagay natin sa boiled water. So, yan lang guys. Pakuluan na ng ilang minuto at saka ilagay na natin yung egg guys. So, huwag mo munang galawin guys yung egg pag nilagay mo para medyo mabuo-buo yung egg. Saka mo na mix. Saka yun guys, nilagyan ko na siya ng coriander or parsley. And guys, yeah. Sarap yung lagyan mo ng parsley guys. Saka ano mo lang siya guys. Pakuluan ng ilang minuto again. Tapos yun na guys, naluto na siya. So, yan guys, yun ang my own version of escabeche dito sa Nepal. So, thank you so much for watching. If you like, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Maraming salamat.